Oh, and today I'm going to show you how to make a ball simulator game on Scratch. So first, I have a lot of costumes. Just every time it moves the eyeballs a little bit until it goes there. And then, so you get away and flag clicked. Make a variable, call it on ground, and then set it to 1, and then set size to 200 forever. If distance to mouse pointer is less than 20, move divide by, so yeah, and then when clicked forever, if mouse down on ground is 0, repeat 15, change size by 13, and then change size by -13, and then set ground to 1. Okay, and then the most important part, forever point towards mouse pointer. Now if you do it, we have a nice movement. Okay, now when clicked forever, if else, make a variable, call it speed. Oh, it's not really speed. So 20 is less than distance to mouse pointer. Next costume 3 times, and then set speed to 0. Else set speed to 5. Change speed by -1. Wait. Divided by 15. Next costume, and then move slow steps. Oh no, I mean move speed steps. And finally, if forever, if less than switch costume to costume 1. That should work. And there we go. It's a ball that moves and it can jump. And it moves on how far the mouse pointer is. And yeah. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.